Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this product. It's from AOA Studio, which means it's from ShopMissA and it's their private label brand. And this is the Velvet Lips Cream Lipstick. And this is part of the charity edition, the Paw Paw charity, which benefits animals against abuse. And this cost $1.55. And I did pick this up in my recent ShopMissA haul that I placed on Cyber Monday. So I got everything for 25% off. But I posted my video of my haul and everything I got already here on YouTube. So if you want to see all of the awesome new ShopMissA products that I got, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this sounds awesome. I love a long wearing liquid lipstick, and it'd be so great to find one that is only $1.55. I mean, looking at the packaging here, this looks like a comparable product to high end. This is non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. It's free from sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, formaldehydes, alcohol, parabens. And what I'm even more excited about is that this shade is called Kris, spelled the same way I spell Christy. So of course I had to pick up this shade, but they have a bunch of beautiful shades of this product. So if I like this, I could definitely see myself getting more. And let's check out the applicator. Oh, I like this type of applicator. So it's like a pointy kind of doe foot at an angle, but it's also hollow. So it holds a lot of product and it's precise. So I'm really excited about that. Now let's go ahead and see how it looks on me. Wow, this is so pigmented. It seriously feels like I'm using paint on my lips. And it's a similar texture as well. Like it's kind of creamy, but also pretty thin and lightweight. Oh my gosh. And I love this color. Even if this color wasn't called Kris, I would choose it because this is seriously like a perfect shade for me. It's very pink, but not too bright and intense. Like it's a very wearable pink shade and I love pink, and I could totally see this being like a signature color that I would wear daily. And it looks so good on the lips. Smooth, even color. It's almost opaque. I think I could go in with a little bit more. Yes, to build it up to that full opaque color. And it seriously feels so comfortable on my lips. I'm like kind of waiting for it to dry down or something, but it's not. It's staying this very comfortable, creamy feel. So let's see if there's transfer. Yeah, that's quite a lot of transfer, and I was expecting that based off of the feel of it. I mean, it is called the Velvet Lips Cream Lipstick, not even Velvet Lips Liquid Lipstick. So I was kind of expecting this to dry down more, but it's very creamy, very pretty, very comfortable, and not drying at all. So I love that this works so nicely on my dry, chapped lips. Like it's not clinging to any dry patches, looks smooth, feels very comfortable and moisturizing on dry lips. So I love this formula. I wish there wasn't so much transfer, but let's see. There's less now, but it is gonna fade. But at least with this applicator, it is very easy and precise to apply. But I do feel like my perfect signature daily lipstick probably doesn't have transfer, or at least this much transfer, and need to be applied as much as this one does. So I like this for a type of lipstick that is more special occasion, that I don't mind reapplying when I'm wearing it, but not a product that I'll probably go back and purchase other shades in, which is a bummer. I would love for them to make a velvet liquid lipstick that is long lasting and has no transfer. I feel like AOA Studio could do a really good product like that. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.